Solve the nonlinear system. X squared plus y squared is equal to 25. X squared minus 2y squared is equal to 16. Let's start by identifying these as equations number 1 and 2. And I'm going to choose an elimination method. Let's choose to eliminate this y squared variable by multiplying equation 1 through by a positive 2. Therefore, it becomes a 2x squared plus 2y squared is equal to 50. That's 2 times equation 1. Let's rewrite equation 2 underneath it. X squared minus 2y squared is equal to 16. And let's add these together. Notice our y squared term cancels. This gives us 3x squared is equal to 66, or x squared is 22. Now take the square root of both sides, giving x is equal to a positive square root of 22, or x is equal to a negative square root of 22. So we've got two values for x. Now let's find the value or values of y that go with these. Let's take this value for x and substitute it into equation 1, which is x squared plus y squared equal 25. So our value for x right there. This gives a square root of 22 squared plus y squared is 25. Square root of 22 squared is 22 plus y squared is 25. So y squared is 3, or y is equal to, as we take the square root of both sides, a positive square root of 3 or a negative square root of 3. So we've got two separate y values that pair with this x value of square root of 22. Now as we look at this x value of negative square root of 22, if we substitute that into equation 1 right here for x, then we're going to get this same equation right here and this same equation, because that negative sign, as we square it, becomes positive. So for x equal negative square root of 22, we're going to get these same y values of y equal square root of 3 or y equal negative square root of 3. Let's describe our solution set now. Starting with our x value over here of square root of 22, we've got the square root of 22 paired with the square root of 3, and the square root of 22 paired with a negative square root of 3. Now for x equal negative square root of 22, we've got a negative square root of 22 paired with square root of 3, and a negative square root of 22 paired with a negative 3, negative square root of 3. So let's just check that. We've got our positive root 22 with plus or minus root 3, our negative root 22 paired with plus or minus root 3. It's always a good idea to check these solutions in your original equations. A check does verify that we have the correct solution set.